our way to Tampa Airport. Stewy and Emery going to Venice. Economy parking, long term. Yeah.
So we're going to be here 2 weeks. Everything.
We'll be good now.
But we were so happy when we came around the corner and we saw the plane at the gate and people were getting off from Atlanta because the plane came from Atlanta down to here, going back to Atlanta.
Right.
We're finally on our way to Vienna. Venice. Sorry.
You guys even having a drink yet either.
We just backed out of the port that we're at today.
Ravenna, Italy.
The sunset's coming right now. Breeze is really pretty. Very nice. Comfortable. When we've been exploring the ship.
7:30 for a short excursion to Koper. And we are going to the Postojna Caves. And that castle in the rocks, I forgot the name. It's going to be very chilly. So it's 80 degrees out, but when we're in the caves, it's like 50.
Yeah. So then we'll come back to the ship because it's hot.
Change our clothes and then walk into town.
We'll walk into town, see what's going on. Here we are.
We're on our way to Postojna.
Доброе утро. Good morning. Welcome to Slovenia. Let me first introduce myself and our driver first, Dusan. He will ensure pleasant and safety ride, of course. For your safety, you can also use the seat belt, which you will find on the side of your seats. My name is Katja, and I will be your tour guide today.
At the Predjama Castle.
Predjama Castle?
Yep, Predjama.
Wow, look at that. That's amazing.
Oh, it'd be great to have a little meal or drink down there.
I know.
Close,
Whoa.
we only get 10 minutes here. So.
I know, only 10 minutes. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it sure is.
I mean, I can't believe how beautiful it is here. It's green. It's still technically spring, barely.
Right.
This beautiful hotel here. We're getting our tickets to the cave tour.
Right.
Gonna ride that little tram thing. Brought our warm gear.
It's supposed to be very cold in the cave.
But it's hot now.
Yeah.
Disneyland, but it's real. Oh, real low. Holy crap. Okay.
So we're in Postojna Caves in Slovenia, which is absolutely amazing. This cave is so ancient. They give you these little audio guides to learn about all the stalagmites and everything. There's great pathways through here. We took a little train ride to get here. It's amazing. I highly recommend it. The caves are one of the largest in the world, over 12 miles long and 377 feet deep at some points. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, added in 1986. It has a dance hall with beautiful Murano glass chandeliers. They have festivals and holiday musical concerts in the Grand Hall of the cave. It holds 10,000 people. It's huge. The acoustics must be amazing.
All right, here we are. As you saw,
That's a walk through that cave, but man, was it beautiful.
It's like, I don't know, 40 degrees in here, but we're sweating to death. It's coming out of the lowest point of the cave, it's the last spot, and then of course the gift shop is hot.
A bunch of people are sitting here.
Lori.
No, that's not one.
Is it? Yeah.
Got the last one.
The last one out, last train from Clarksville. And then, of course, the gift shop was normal heat. Got my souvenir Slovenia cap.
And we got a postcard from Stewy.
From Stewy. We are in the back of the ship. We just got back from a wonderful, wonderful trip to the Postojna in
Koper, Slovenia.
right, which is where we are now.
Fun. It was great, beautiful, amazing.
Slovenia as a country is gorgeous. Stewy had never had the kind of the national drink of Italy, I consider it. It's an Aperol Spritz.
We're not in Italy.
Yeah, well, close enough. So take a sip, Stewy. What do you think?
Very good.
Came off the ship.
And we're going to go into Old Town Koper.
Koper.
You're going to get a good shot of the ship from up there.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Take a picture over here. Koper is one of the oldest towns in Slovenia and used to be an island that was connected to the mainland by a causeway in 1825. Come along with us on our stroll through Old Town. We'll start in Tito Square, where you'll see some captivating buildings, such as the 15th century Praetorian Palace, an example of late Venetian Gothic style architecture. And we'll stroll through some of the main shopping streets, pedestrian zones, and finish along the waterfront with some local drinks. The center of Old Town Koper.
Koper.
You're already
I
kind of
don't know
sore.
if there's an elevator in the medieval tower.
What?
It'd be just a wooden box and they have a crank at the bottom.
Someone pulling it up.
Yeah, like in Game of Thrones, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Wow.
Oh, man.
That's great.
Oh, so that Mercator was that shopping mall thing, I think, right? So
this.
which way do we want to go? Right or left?
I think straight ahead.
All right. Oh, well, I think it feels a little better.
Oh, yeah, it's cooler down here.
The raise is way up in the air.
Look at above us.
Kind of a
the
drone
bridge.
shot.
I'm gonna take a picture, honey.
You want ice cream? So today is day of the week. What day of the week is it? Tuesday, right? I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, we're very confused right now. But this is a cute little area right here.
Yeah, because I'm sure there's great little streets this way too.
Yeah. Look at this courtyard. Oh my gosh, look at this. No breeze at all.
Right.
I mean, it was hot.
We're back by the water to get a breeze. Try some of their local wine and beer.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Me too.
So let's head down the sidewalk over here.
Where we are.
Head across. The ship's over there to the right.
Well, I was trying to steer us back towards the center of
I
town.
know, and I don't know why. I'm the navigator.
Except on the ship.
Right, because I knew we came in this way on the bus. So we want to go back this way and find a bar.
Yep.
That's the big thing now. Look at these trees are so beautiful.
They
Can't
are.
get over.
Ice cream truck. No.
No, just a very
It'll look like
colorful bus.
Look at that.
Oh, okay. What do I see?
Yeah.
I see one over there. I see one over
Let's
here.
go by the water over here.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, there's a spot right on the water.
Oh my gosh.
I think Cervita is beer.
Yeah. All right. All right. So we found this wonderful bar
Right on the water.
right on the water, right near our ship, which is right next to that container ship over there. Big ugly container ship. But here we are, and it's wonderful. Oh, where's Stewy? There she is. I blocked you out. Sorry, Stewy. Yeah, sorry about that. But the main thing is we were just hot and sweaty.
This is their local rosé. I haven't tried it yet.
Slovenian. My arm is starting to shake. And then Emery is trying a local
It's very good.
Slovenian beer.
How's the beer?
Delish. Emery wasn't paying attention. And I asked him what the beer was that I ordered, and he said Plaska.
Biggest visualization.
Oops. It's pretty easy.
And we are taking it easy. Huh?
Slovenia.
Koper Slovenia.
Our local rosé wine. Our ship is just down there on the water, and we just had a wonderful day. Going to the Postojna Caves was great, and we just walked around Old Town, just beautiful. And now we're by the water having some drinks before we get back on the ship.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Cheers. We just got back on the Norwegian Gem in Koper, Slovenia, and it was very hot out there, and we're having some refreshing refreshments. I have a beautiful French rosé, which is absolutely delicious.
Well, we were at that other bar just before this, and we just said we were going to stop at another bar, but we thought it was the same bar connected onto the...
Right.
But it was a separate one, but looked exactly the same. So we passed that and then didn't want to double back, so we thought, you know what?
Let's get some air conditioning.
Yeah, we're going to come to the ship. We're at the Martini Bar, wine bar, champagne bar, whiskey bar, all this giant area right here. They have entertainment at night, but you know, we haven't done hardly any of showing you the ship.
Right.
So we're remiss in that. So we're going to get that done eventually.
Mhm.
But, you know, it was so nice out in town that we thought we would,
Right.
Well-
Koper is just exquisite.
yeah. And Slovenia is gorgeous. Caves are amazing. The Old Town from, what, Roman times? That's
Right.
unbelievable.
Oh, 7:30 and 9:30.
For
Two
what?
shows.
The show? Amazing boots?
7:30.
Blazing boots.
7:30,
Not amazing
9:30,
boots.
the Stardust Theater.
Okay.
Here's the app with all the stuff.
Yeah, here's the app. We have to muster at our station.
7:30.
Well,
Okay.
wow. It has a wonderfully different taste. It really does. Taste Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like
What?
Lucille Ball Vegemite face.
What's wrong with that? You didn't like it?
Ugh.
Oh man. She likes the dirty olive juice.
Right, so I just want straight vodka with some olive juice and some olives, and I'm good. Chilled. Shaken, not stirred.
Yeah, well, that's why I said I want the James Bond martini. There it is. We said we were going to show you a little bit. We're kind of snacky, and we haven't been to O'Sheehan's yet. O'Sheehan's, right? Is that what it says?
She hands. It kind of looks like
O'Sheehan's.
that. She hands.
24 hours. Oh, look, it's really cute.
Well, it's really nice in
Oh,
here.
and of course it's over. Is it a buffet or do we order?
No, we'd sit at a table and order, I guess. I guess maybe they seat you.
Can you believe that? O'Sheehan's has no Irish beer.
Right. No Irish beer at O'Sheehan's. Isn't that something?
I mean, and they have a full bar.
No Irish beer.
We're seeing more tours of the ship, but we don't seem to have time. So here's the buffet I made. Well, it's a mix conglomeration of all kinds of things. Yeah, one good thing about the buffet, it's quick, easy as what you want to eat, right, Stewy?
So, I got chicken like with spiced pear. I
Yeah.
got chicken curry.
Ooh.
I got steamed veggies. And next to the steamed veggies was sweet potato soup. So I kind of poured a little of the sweet potato soup on the veggies as the
Accidentally or on
Oh,
purpose?
on purpose.
Really?
Got some green beans.
Okay. Looks delicious. All right. Here goes.